Immerse yourself in the enchanting world of Bali, where vibrant culture and stunning landscapes collide. Marvel at the iconic Uluwatu Temple, traverse the lush rice terraces of Tegallalang, and lose yourself in the bustling markets of Ubud. Now, transition to the hustle and bustle of Indonesia's capital, Jakarta. Towering skyscrapers, the majestic national monument, and a dynamic street food scene await your exploration. Next, journey to Yogyakarta, the cultural heart of Java. Stand in awe of the majestic Borobudur Temple, admire the intricate details of Prambanan Temple, and soak in the vibrant arts and crafts scene. Head east to the exotic Komodo Island, home to the formidable Komodo dragons. Experience unique wildlife, pristine beaches, and underwater wonders that will thrill diving enthusiasts. Finally, conclude your journey in the remote paradise of Raja Ampat. This is a world of incredible marine biodiversity, crystal clear waters, and breathtaking island scenery. Indonesia is a treasure trove of wonders, each destination a unique gem. So why wait? Embark on your Indonesian adventure today.